Good morning, everyone. I welcome you to the fourth Rubik Challenge here at the Regent Secondary School. There will be 2 rounds, and for the first round, all contestants will have a go. So we have 4 of them. The first 2 contestants to finish will proceed to the final round. Join me in welcoming Michael Jr. Abdul. After that, we have Shamsuna Salim. After that, we have the winner of the 2023 Rubik Challenge, Iwara Hossein. And lastly, the defending champion with 38.5 seconds record, Rishabh Manoj. All right, so we have to go through 1 or 2 things on how to go about the competition. Firstly, you would have to scramble for 15 seconds and then you swap the Rubik cubes around. Then after that, we would have a go at the challenge. So, could we have the timer for 15 seconds, please? You can start the scrambling. You can go on with the scrambling. So you can swap with anyone you like, up to you, swap with anyone you like. Good. Now listen very well. When you start the Rubik Challenge, when you're done, you have to say done. So the person in charge of the timer would have to stop the timer for you. But make sure you've unscrambled before you drop the Rubik cube, or else you'll be disqualified. Okay? Now I'll count down from 3 to 1. When you hear go, that's when you start. You can all stand. 3, 2, 1, go. We can stop with the Michael, thank you. Thank you. Right. I think Rishabh finished at exactly like 35 seconds, and the next person was Shamsuna. So going with that, Shamsuna and Rishabh would proceed to the final stage. Please, let's encourage them. Thank you. I had a question in mind before the challenge, and the question was about if Rishabh would set a new record, and I think he already did. I think we should give him a round of applause. So, going with that, my new question for Rishabh is, would you even set a better one or maintain what you already have? So, this is the final round of the Rubik Challenge, and before I call them up on the stage, I wouldn't know if Shamsuna will pull a rabbit out of the hat. That is, would you be able to surprise us and even do something better. So, you've got to show us what you have. So, welcome on the stage, Rishabh Manoj. And we have Shamsuna Saleh. Right, so just a quick recap. Again, you would have 15 seconds to scramble the Rubik cube. Please, can you start the timer for 15 seconds? Thank you. Thank you very much. So you can drop. Feel free to swap around. Okay. The other time I forgot to mention that we have 3 students who are actually accompanying them on the piano, and that's Hanif Muhammad Yusuf. Please give him a round of applause. We have Kenechukwu Ugo as well, and Josiah Idoko. Thank you. Okay, so when I count down from 3 to 1, when you hear go, that's when you make a start. 3, 2, 1, go. He actually finished that in 38 seconds, and I think going with the first round, he had a new record of 35 seconds. And I think at this point in time, I have to throw a challenge to the girls and also the year 7 students. Just for you to know this, Rishabh started just 2 years ago when he was in year 7. The first year it wasn't that great, but he never gave up. And he came up again last year, and he had this new record. Now in year 9, he has a new record again. I'm being hopeful next year we would have these young boys and girls in Key State 3 especially to come up to challenge him. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. We have to give some medals to those who participated in the Rubik challenge. And to give out the medals, I would like to invite on the stage Mr. Aki, please. Thank you, Mr. Aki. So we start with the second position, Shamsuna Saleh. Thank you, Mrs. Guru. Encourage Shamsuna, please. And the winner of the 2025 Rubik Challenge, Rishabh Manoj, can you please stand up?